Hey YouTubers, here's a quick video. Haven't seen any videos of this on YouTube, so I wanted to see if I can help others out if they have an inquiry just like I did. So what I have here, this is just a 2001 Yamaha. It's a 15 horsepower two-stroke. I've got a boat in the backyard that I need to use a long shaft motor on. Of course, this is a short shaft. What you're looking at there is an extension, and the company that makes that extension is right there. They're called Bay Manufacturing. So what comes in this kit? Well, there's a bag full of hardware, some pretty vague instructions, so let me kind of give you hands on how I went about this. So of course you'll take your lower end off. Very important, in the instructions it says you need to chase these thread holes down with a tap or a thread cleaner. Otherwise, if you try to force these studs in, you could crack the housing itself. I found that out really quick. I was only able to get in about 2 turns of a thread before they wouldn't go anymore. So what you'll need is a M8 1.25 pitch tap, and you'll clean that out. This is the extension that comes from the kit. Of course, the 4 bolts, and you're required to Loctite them. I use blue, not red, because if you ever want to remove these again, good luck with red. The lower end of the unit, there's a nice extension for the drive shaft, and of course the extension itself. One thing that is kind of vague in the instructions was this exhaust block-off plate. So there's a gap over here. It's a cutout. I'm not sure the purpose of that. Suppose it's to let exhaust come out of the top over here now if your prop is blocked. But they send you a plate. If you install the plate, smooth side forward, and there's a radius set in the back, then you need to tap it down and make sure it sits flush. There's alignment marks on here. As you can see, the bottom end duplicates the Yamaha top end. Look at that. That's a pretty nice profile. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to primer this extension. I'm going to run out of the auto parts store. I'll take the lower end with me. I'll see if I can get a paint that's close enough to match. You do get, lock nuts. Looks like nylocks there, and some studs. Hope this helps anyone who's inquiring on Bay Manufacturing.